We live in a world where things are built to expire. Phones slow down, appliances fail quietly, and repairs are discouraged. We're told that progress means replacement. But scattered across centuries and continents are machines that refuse that fate. Machines built by hands long gone, still breathing, still moving, still doing exactly what they were designed to do. These aren't replicas or museum props. They are originals, shaped by patience, craftsmanship, and a belief that work should outlast the worker. Today, we step back into that forgotten mindset as we explore 15 ancient machines still working today, one of them running without stopping for over 600 years. Stay with me, because by the end, you may never look at modern technology the same way again. 1. Glowing memory in a quiet fire station in California. A single light has refused to go dark for more than a century. The Centennial light bulb has been glowing since 1901, not because of luck, but because it was designed to run cool and slow. Thick carbon filaments and modest power consumption created endurance. It reminds us that when household items aren't pushed to their limits, they quietly last far longer than expected. 2. Silent computation long before laptops overheated and software expired. The Harwell Decatron computer calculated patiently, one glowing pulse at a time. Built in 1951, it still operates today, showing that simpler systems are often easier to preserve. In the home, fewer moving parts and understandable mechanics often mean fewer failures. 3. Iron printing. Old printing presses still stamp ink with flawless precision after 100 years. Heavy cast iron frames and steel gears were never rushed into production. The lesson is simple. Solid materials and slow operation create longevity, whether it's a press, a mixer, or a hand-crank tool in your kitchen. 4. Steam endurance. Some steam locomotives built before World War I still roll today. Their secret was accessibility. Every component could be repaired by hand. At home, choosing tools that can be opened, cleaned, and maintained often beats sealed, disposable alternatives. 5. Clockwork truss tower clocks installed in the 1800s still mark time with remarkable accuracy. They rely on gravity, weights, and gears instead of fragile electronics. Even today, mechanical systems often outlast digital ones when consistency matters more than convenience. 6. Water power. Massive water wheels built in the 1800s still turn daily, driven by nothing but flowing streams. They teach us the power of working with nature instead of against it. In household habits, low-energy solutions often prove the most reliable. 7. Bell bronze. Church bells cast centuries ago still ring with perfect pitch. Thick bronze resists decay, and simplicity prevents failure. It's a reminder that quality materials may cost more upfront, but they save generations of replacement. 8. Hydraulic. Faith. Victorian engineers lifted entire bridges using water pressure and steam. Some of those systems still function today. They were overbuilt on purpose. When fixing things at home, reinforcing weak points often prevents repeated breakdowns. 9. Electric beginnings. Early electric trains from the early 1900s still climb mountain railways using original motors. Their modest speeds and careful operation protected components. Running machines gently, rather than at maximum capacity, preserves them far longer. 10. Wooden motion. The first gasoline automobiles still run, their wooden frames and brass fittings maintained with care. They prove that even early technology can survive when owners value repair over replacement. 11. Factory heartbeat. Old factory steam engines still turn flywheels with perfect balance. Precision fitting reduced vibration and wear. At home, proper alignment and lubrication quietly add years to everyday machines. 12. Timekeeping. Electromechanical clocks from the 1800s still tick with remarkable accuracy. Minimal electronics and robust metalwork made them resilient. Sometimes, fewer features create stronger reliability. 13. Mine. Giant massive pumping machines built to drain mines in the 1700s still operate today. They were designed to run continuously, not occasionally. Appliances used consistently and maintained regularly often last longer than those left idle. 14. Mechanical ritual. Many ancient machines still work because someone shows up every day to tend them. Oil is added. Gears are checked. Nothing is assumed. Routine care remains one of the most powerful preservation tools we have. 15. Cosmic clock in Prague. An astronomical clock installed in 1410 still calculates time, planets, and seasons. For over 615 years, it has required no electricity, only weights, gears, and human hands. It stands as proof that when humans build with intention, their work can outlive empires. Final thoughts. These machines were not built for speed, profit, or convenience. They were built for permanence. They remind us that longevity is not accidental, it's chosen. In an age of disposability, these survivors whisper an older truth: care what you build and care for what you own. If these stories made you rethink modern technology and remember a time when things were meant to last, like this video and subscribe to American Restored, where we continue uncovering the forgotten wisdom of the past.